Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Chef Mikey B, and today we'll be making a excellent roasted garlic teriyaki chicken. Yep, that looks about done. If you look at it, all the sugars inside the garlic have been nice and roasted off, making a nice sweet caramel flavor added to the garlic. That's what we need to make our teriyaki chicken marinade the best ever. So we're going to start by cutting it up. Give it a nice rough chop. You don't have to go too fine. Now that we've got our garlic roasted, we want to add some honey, add some teriyaki sauce, and that's it. Simple and easy, and it tastes great. So let's throw those in here. You want to coat the garlic in just the bottom layer of your bowl. Not too much, not too little, but what the honey does, it cuts the acidity of the teriyaki sauce and helps coat the chicken really nice when you're baking it. So it gives that really nice flavor. There we go. And with teriyaki sauce, you want to be nice and liberal, you know. You gotta marinate your chicken. Do it right. Oh heck, let's throw the whole bottle in. We got our whisk here. And let's stir it away. Nice and stirred up. All right, now we're gonna bring back our chicken right here. We got our nice mixed up marinade. Pour it all over the chicken here. Make sure you get all that nice flavor going on there. Now most chickens, you know, you think about marinade, you want to marinate overnight, but this chicken right here, the teriyaki is so strong, it only needs about 10-15 minutes. So we're going to let it sit in the refrigerator for about 10-15 minutes. A little dab of oil in there. Take your everyday cloth here and just spread it around. And now we got our marinade with the chicken in it. Been nicely refrigerated for about 10-15 minutes. Make sure it's nice and spread around. And that probably needs to bake for probably about 45 minutes. But you always want to keep an eye on it so you know tell if it's done or not. There's no set time, as all ovens are different. You know, depends on the size and shape of the chicken as well. So make sure you smell the air. Smells done, it probably is done, and always check on it every few minutes. And you always want to check the temperature of your chicken. Always of excess of 165 degrees inside your poultry. So never below 165, you'll be safe. Alright, now we got our onions. We're going to start with our roasted broccoli. And here's our onion down here. And what you want to do is cut off sides. You can see the grain right down the middle here. You want to cut right down the center. You'll always see these little circles. You cut right down the center. Easiest to cut. So your onion doesn't fall apart on you. Got to cut in the middle. You want to peel the back layer back. Got your onion. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And the trick to making all good vegetables is you want to sear them off. Get the pan nice and hot. I mean, don't be afraid to wait until you see a little bit of steam coming off the smoke, off the oil. All right, we have our onions about ready to sear off. As you can tell, you got a little bit of smoke coming off the olive oil. And wait till you hear this noise. It's beautiful. Oh, wow. That's exactly what you want to hear. A nice sizzle right when you throw the vegetables down. A little bit of pepper. Actually, a lot of pepper. We like pepper. A little bit of salt. I like kosher salt. Give it a nice little stir. Let the onions caramelize just a little bit before you add your broccoli. I mean, just the smell you get off. When you throw those onions in, when they instantly caramelize on the pan, it smells amazing. We got a nice can of chicken broth here. All right, we have our broccoli now. We have our onions nice and seared off in the pan. Let's throw these guys in here. What we want to do is add some chicken stock right here. Almost sounds like an orchestra going off in the pan. We got our nice pastaroni here. And we got our chicken right here. Looks tender. And boy, if you could smell the flavors coming off this chicken, amazing. And our broccoli's finished, and it looks delicious. Voila, here we have it. Roasted garlic teriyaki chicken. I'm Chef Mikey B, and thanks for joining me.